we arrive in Miskolc, Hungary, and Lillapure. Lillapure is a place in Miskolc, and it's a castle here. And look how beautiful is this! Look at the lake. What? How nice! And the castle here. We have the castle, and a lot of beautiful places where you can enjoy eating and drinking. And now we're going to have something to eat, like a langosh and a beer, of course. Look how beautiful is this place. What? And here you can go by train around the mountains on this truck. So beautiful. It's 33 degrees outside. Look at that. What? So Lillapure in Hungary, Miskolc, it's a touristical place. A lot of people come here in Miskolc because it's just amazing. So we're gonna stop here somewhere to enjoy a langosh. What? A lot of people come here with that. Let's have a langosh, shall we? Look at that! Langosh everywhere. So we can't go there, so it's better stop here somewhere. Let's stop it here, closer. So we just stop here to enjoy a langosh. So we come from Portsmouth, England, and we make it to Hungary, and the bike is in perfect condition. We haven't got any trouble. Isn't this amazing? Yeah. So we have music here, and we're going to enjoy some food now. What? Do you need anything from there? Okay, so we lock it up then. What? This is a beautiful place. It's so refreshing here. Yeah. Just amazing here. So we make it into Hungary from England. So we head into Georgia, through Romania, and then Bulgaria and Turkey, and it's gonna be a fantastic ride. Weather's getting better, and the temperature is gonna be over 45 degrees. Thanks for follow us, guys. Really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.